Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we are going to discuss GoHighLevel plans and pricings with detail. But before we get into the details, I have a special offer just for you. Normally, if you go through GHL's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. But in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GHL in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Those two alone are worth more than $900, but you'll get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's get into the details of each pricing plan. GHL's plans offers three main pricing plans. The starter plan is $97 a month, the unlimited plan is $297 a month, and the SaaS Pro plan is $497 a month. Each of these plans is designed to cater to different types of users, from individual businesses to large-scale agencies looking to scale their operations. The great thing about GoHighLevel is that all of the core CRM features are available across all plans. So no matter which plan you choose, you're getting a powerful tool to manage your business. However, each plan comes with additional features that make it more suitable for specific needs, which we'll explore in detail. So let's get started with the starter plan priced at $97 a month. This plan is perfect for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who are just getting started with GHL. The starter plan gives you access to all the tools that you need to capture leads, nurture them, and turn them into customers. It includes features like online booking, pipelines, a social calendar, a website builder, and more. What's great about this plan is that it allows you to have unlimited contacts and users, so you're not restricted by the number of customers or team members that you can manage. However, the starter plan does have a few limitations. While you get access to most of the CRM features, you can only set up to 3 sub-accounts. This means that you can run up to 3 businesses or manage 3 clients, but if you need to manage more than that, you'll need to consider upgrading to a higher plan. The starter plan is ideal if you're just getting your feet wet and don't need to manage multiple businesses or clients. Next up is the unlimited plan, which is priced at $297 a month. Now this plan is a significant step up from the starter plan and is designed for agencies or businesses that manage multiple clients. The biggest advantage of the ultimate plan is that it allows you to create as many sub-accounts as you need. This means that you can manage an unlimited number of clients or businesses from a single platform, making it perfect for agencies that handle multiple clients. In addition to the unlimited sub-accounts, the unlimited plan also includes API access, which allows you to integrate GHL with other software tools that you might be using. This feature is particularly useful if you need to customize your workflow or integrate GHL with existing systems. Another benefit of the unlimited plan is that it includes a branded desktop app, which gives you complete control over the look and feel of your platform, allowing you to offer a fully customized experience to your clients. The unlimited plan also allows you to enable SaaS mode, where you can convert GHL into a software as a service platform. This means that you can resell GHL under your own brand, providing your clients with a fully branded experience. While the ability to resell the platform is available, it's important to note that in the unlimited plan, you won't be able to mark up the pricing for phone and email services beyond the default rate. For that, you'll need to upgrade to the SaaS Pro plan. Finally, we have the SaaS Pro plan, which is priced at $497 a month. This is the most comprehensive plan that GoHighLevel offers and is designed for agencies and businesses looking to generate recurring revenue through SaaS. The SaaS Pro plan includes everything in the unlimited plan, plus a few additional features that are essential if you're serious about scaling your business. One of the key features of the SaaS Pro plan is automatic sub-account creation. This allows you to set up a website where your clients can sign up, and once they check out, a sub-account is automatically created for them, complete with any automations or templates you've set up. This feature is incredibly powerful for agencies that want to offer a seamless onboarding experience to their clients and scale their operations without adding additional overhead. Another significant feature of the SaaS Pro plan is the ability to rebill your clients for phone, email, and AI services with your own markup. This means that you can set your own pricing and generate additional revenue from these services, which can be a substantial source of income if you're managing a large number of clients. The SaaS Pro plan also includes access to GoHighLevel's advanced API, which allows you to build custom integrations and more functionality to the platform. This is particularly useful for agencies that need to customize the platform to meet specific client needs. Additionally, the SaaS Pro plan offers split testing, which allows you to compare the performance of different landing pages and optimize your campaigns based on real data. Finally, the SaaS Pro plan includes advanced reporting features such as agent reporting, which lets you track the performance of individual agents, including how many calls they've made, how many deals they've closed, and more. Now, this level of detail is crucial for agencies that want to optimize their team's performance and ensure that they're delivering the best possible service to their clients. Additionally, the plan includes an AI conversational bot, which can help automate customer interactions and improve response times. So, which GHL plan is right for you? It really depends on your specific needs and the size of your business. If you're a small business or solo entrepreneur just starting out, the starter plan at $97 a month is a great option. It gives you access to all the essential CRM features and allows you to manage up to 3 sub-accounts, which should be more than enough to get you started. If you're managing multiple clients or businesses and need more flexibility, the Ultimate plan at $297 a month is the way to go. The ability to create unlimited sub-accounts and access API integrations makes it ideal for agencies or businesses that are scaling. For those who are serious about generating recurring revenue through SaaS, the SaaS Pro plan at $497 a month is the best choice for you. With automatic sub-account creation, the ability to rebill your own markup, and advanced API access, the SaaS Pro plan gives you everything that you need to scale your operations and to maximize your revenue. And that's it for this video. I hope you now have a better idea of GHL plans and pricing and know which plan is right for you. Don't forget that if you sign up through my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, my full GHL Jumpstart course, and $900 worth of high-quality templates for free. This is an incredible opportunity to get started with GHL and start scaling your business. Click the link in the description to claim your bonuses and to start your 30-day free trial today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.